back end is really messed up right now. It definitely feels very far to the left. I feel like it's giving me more traction, but at the same time I want it to make it to the end of the trail, so fingers crossed. Looks like the exhaust popped off again. Jordan, how's it look?
One, you need to get a shot. He ripped the flex pipe and it is unraveled about 2 feet down the vehicle, and the pipe is like still sitting there, but it's not connected to anything.
Here, let me hop in. Ooh, ah, slippery.
You don't say, huh?
A little bit. Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna definitely. Oh, this is not good. This thing might roll. I think that's the body hitting that rock. I can't believe these tires still have traction. Oh, that's not good. Hang on, let me help you. I can't quite reach. Oh. Give a little push off here in a sec. I'm almost there. Wow. This is impossible. There's no way. Check out Trixie over there. Yeah, she's trying to hunt down a beaver. Probably. I mean, look what you're about to go through. Yeah, I know. That's why I said it's impossible. How? How would I? Oh, Trixie's trying to guide me. She's walking ahead there. Okay, dum-dum. Oh, there's a rock. That's a nope rock right there. Water level is now over our heads. Yeah, yeah. Don't think about it. The useless mirror. Yeah. I just don't want to slide off to the right into it down there. Ah, we'll winch it out. I just don't want to experience the fall. Look at that in front of us, man. How? Just... How did it? This is impossible. Isn't that awesome? I'm flabbergasted.
Take off, be careful.
On the no rock. Gotta clean up after myself on the trail here. Proper trail cleanup done by Matt. and it unwound the flex exhaust, the whole, well, as far as it could. We caught it in time before it unwound the whole thing, I guess. So, I'm just gonna keep stuffing it up in here. Trail's nice and clean now.
I would like to ask, what is it up with you guys and beaver dams? This is 2 places now where we're literally feet away from a lake.
Yeah. I want to know how a beaver decides, like, oh,
This is the spot?
yeah,
I don't know.
there's gonna be a lake here. It's gonna
Yeah.
be great. I've got my own pool.
That's a good question.
I don't need no permits. I'm a beaver.
That's exactly right.
After completing the beaver dam challenge, we jumped back on the trail because we had a long way to go still.
Like we got some rubbing going on there. Lots of new noises. Come here, girl. Come on, Trixie. Atta girl, all covered in mud.
Hey, doggo. Sorry for all the wind noise. I'm running the air conditioner right now because it's warm today for the UP. Must have hit like 65 today. And I have no idea if I'm going to be able to stop coming down this rock hill. I hope. I don't know at this point. Oh, here it goes. Even Paul the cameraman was pushing forward to reach for the front of the dash because he thought we were going to slap.
Yep.
Oh, boy.
I was a little worried there.
I am so impressed by this truck. I'm just so blown away.
Oh my gosh.
Wow. Look at that. Just wow.
That's nuts. I don't know how it's doing it.
Right?
I mean, I don't even hear any scrapes. No crunks and no lumps.
It's just walking right through.
Oh, there's a crunk.
Got to rip out that plastic for that inner fender wall, but yeah. Look at that dog making it look easy up there. Oh, here, look, I'm a dog. I'm going to run ahead of you.
She's happy, man. She's having a great day.
no way this should be working. This is insane. I don't get it. I'm just lucky, I guess. Woo!
Did it die?
It died. It's almost like I went in up to the air intake and water.
Try to fire it up again. Oh yeah! Alright, so we're another offshoot off of Trail 8 in Sands Township in Marquette County. And again, the Jeep, the Wrangler, Cherokee all came through this. And
the Ranger made it through too.
Ranger made it through too. And again, it's completely stock. The exhaust has now fallen off. And we went through this mud hole, which was ended up being really deep. And it did 3 times. I mean, check out the footage. I mean, just sank right down. Eventually it caught. And these is on like the cheapest tires ever. They're Thunderers. I mean, Thunderers. They're junk.
Yeah.
Anyway, how did it feel?
It, like, you could really feel the drop off. There's a piece of wood over there, like, that was part of an original road, and you could really feel it drop once it hit that, and then it was, you know, give gas and hope it doesn't get stuck. And it didn't. It kept going, kept throwing mud everywhere, as you can see by the side. It looks even muddier on the other side. I mean, it's crazy.
Oh, such a mess. It's amazing how this thing just keeps going after all this. Just straight up abuse.
Yeah.
High RPMs, low gears, deep mud. Just keeps going. All right, well, we're going to continue on. So, please make sure you check out the upcoming videos and all the videos associated with this trip especially. And don't forget to like, comment,
share, and subscribe. And we'll see you guys in the next video.